Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life series number 11, and we are on day number 8. Week 1 is done, y'all. We are starting on to week number 2. So for today's sketch, it was created by Susan Stringfellow. It's not an exclusive, but she's given Christy permission to use the sketch, and it was originally created for Sketch Savvy. So know that. It's a Sketch Savvy sketch created by Susan Stringfellow with permission by her to allow us to create with this sketch for Christy's challenge. Anywho, so it is a 4-photo sketch, and I think I have 5 photos. Yes, I have 5 photos to work with. So I'm going to use these to create my layout. It is a 2-pager, which makes me happy because I love using 2-page sketches. I did pull in a couple of sheets of leftover paper, or unwanted paper, if you will, to use the back sides for my background. So my background will be white, and this is the front side of those 2 papers. I think they're both Christmas papers. Don't remember the collections, but I'm not going to use them. So I pulled them for the white side. So I will cut those down, cut the branding strips off. And then I pulled in a couple of sheets of Felicity Jane paper and a Pink Fresh paper. So I have these 2, and I have this one. But that's not all I've pulled in as far as paper goes, because I've pulled in a handful of scraps as well. And I kind of just randomly pulled things, not knowing if I would use them or not. So here is all the cutoffs that I pulled in, the branding or intro to the paper collection piece here, and a couple of larger scraps. So I have all of that. I went ahead and I pulled in everything in the kitchen sink. Not really, but most everything. I pulled in this singular tag cut out from some, I want to say 6x8 paper by Freckled Fawn. I pulled in washi strips, and I have a multitude here. There's tons. Let's see if I can just... Some of them have been used, some of them not used, so I have lots to play with, y'all. I have labels. I pulled in these 3 sets from Freckled Fawn. If I can get the 3 used off that sheet, I will be in heaven. This is a duplicate sheet, and I haven't used anything from there, but this sheet still has 1, 2, 3 labels there. This set from Freckled Fawn, and then I pulled in all of these from Felicity Jane. You know, I had those 2 essential collections, number 5 and number 4, and so you can see all the different colors across the top there. So there's a ton of colors to play with. I pulled in these cardstock stickers from Pink Fresh. I pulled in chipboard stickers from Pink Fresh. I pulled in puffy stickers from Pink Fresh and Felicity Jane. And I pulled in this set from Heidi Grace. They're just cardstock stickers. So here is everything that I have pulled in to use. Now I have the whole conglomeration of stuff around me to play with. So if you will give me just a second, I will put up I will put the sketch up for you to check out. You can pause the video and play along, or head over to Christy's Facebook page called Christy's Beautiful Life, and she will have it posted there along with all the other photos that people have taken using the same sketch. So if you need inspiration, head over there. Or better yet, if you want to see all the videos, you can put in hashtag 30DSCBL11 and a whole playlist of everything that's been posted so far on YouTube should come up. Anyway, guys, I'll be right back with the layout. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 8. I'll tell you what I did not use. I had pulled these 2 border strips in to use, and I was going to fussy cut those stars. Y'all, what was I thinking? Yeah, I opted not to. I have all these washi strips that I pulled in to use, and I didn't end up using any of these. The little scalloped ones I did though. This was the second set of labels that I had of this kind, and I didn't end up using any of these. Nor did I use any of these. Nor did I use any of these. I did use some of the label stickers, but I still have all of these that did not get used this go around. So there's a ton there. I did pull in what I did use now. I did pull in this graduated circle die with stitches, and I used the third from the smallest and the fourth from the smallest. Paper wise, I used a bunch. I cut apart this introduction sheet because I used several of the strips in twos like this, and then I folded it over and I cut it into a banner shape so it looks like little banners. There's cutoffs here. There's a part of a tag that I used. I just used the top portion of it, so that little portion can go back into my tags to be used as like a little stitched element. I used a little bit of all of this. So there's that's what I punched circles out of, and this piece I punched circles, and there's a half a circle there. So this stuff will go back into my scraps to use on another layout. Here are the washi strips that I used. I used one off each sheet there. Label stickers, I had a half one of these, and I used that half. These 3 sets, I used one of each. This set, I thought I had 3 on here to use, and I only had 2, so I used the last of that. So that's another empty sticker sheet. Yay! I did use the chipboard stickers, both sets. I used these puffy little circles on here. These epoxy stickers, I used a couple of pieces from here. These enamel dots I used. These puffy stickers, I think I used 1 or 2 of those. These stickers, they're flat. I used a couple of those. These cardstock stickers, I used a couple from each set. The letter stickers, I used the date from this one. I used this one for part of my title and this for part of my title. And let me show you the layout. And I know when I started this, y'all were going, oh, those papers are never going to work together. But they really did. It all worked out so well. And I'm just in love with this layout, y'all. I pulled everything together and I used all the different colors. And so I think everything blended well because everybody's wearing such different colors in the photos that I think it works. I actually have 5 clusters, I think. You can see I put 2 circles in each of these lower, here, here, and here, and then just floral embellishments and phrases and stuff up here, and then my title is Family Event. And then up here I put the location, the year. Oh, and I just realized I put the wrong year on there. I'll have to go back with some liquid adhesive here in just a few minutes and glue that down. So the year and location are here, the month is here, and then over here I just gave a brief rundown of the actual event. There's not much to it. These all go in the same section of the album, so I don't need to go into a lot of detail. Just, you know, family and who's there, basically. And these are, you know, my mom's grandchildren and great-grandchildren in the photos. So her grands and great-grands. Anywho, guys, I appreciate you being here. If you like today's layout, I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more, make sure you head over to my playlist called 30DS CBL 11 so you can see the other layouts that I have included this go around. And if you're interested in seeing everything that Christy has posted, whether it be photos or videos, you can check out her Facebook group called Christy's Beautiful Life, or you can check out the hashtag 30DSCBL11 and it should take you to the playlist of everybody's videos. Don't ask me how that happens. It's magic in my eyes. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow. Make sure if you're interested, there's going to be close-ups at the end of the video of this layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.